Osafo, time check is 15 minutes past 8 o'clock. Anopay Maji Medjamosonfo Joseph Osafo or Sompa Rhapsody. It's not sayana a nimtie nyansa entiasie enumo de boa obra na obra ekoso. Yitum pasa obra bia adane ni nyansa eka hono ya na sa obra no ekoyie pa. Ase de woni ni nyansa ene de ompa fotu. De obi ede ebrebebre esuae no wonam Sompa Rhapsody enam Sompa FM 106.5. Ose ema aketiopa wonam so ebetie nyansa a ebebu abrabo na abrabo esi enti dia ompese na abrabo bekoyie no wona ompe afutu obra yi dia ompa afutu no so na abrabo nyefe obra no otwa no esini sebe te said you all MPC. And on a pay I had not seen just say, yet in the any nyansa and not Eddie Ebro. I'm a shawabra. And then I can I say, life must be structured and not disordered. Rame Hunsana, Mrs. Akosia, and a very popular politician be Atlas Awodi in common. Now, and someone honorable could you upon and chroma a Pusugu Hano. And someone be a man some, and someone be my firm. At the Sadia Ghana Hano, there were certain parental approaches be an year common. When you are from now pay I have to see about suicidality among young people. The ma Yamrantie, Yamaya, Wakomatane, na Emma won kra ne won atenka edanibutu na o school abeti so say na pese me kume ho pese me gime nkwa na mpa se nyame anye na doma no waje ne nkwa na e beka wasam na me tie nsem no bia kodwo eka ho asam anura de ofamu oko school na sebe na nkwa yie se me die bia na eche se me na me kan I say me se minimum we pa one person me kura me marry enti obi a kwadre mu pa na enche obadwane ye na why research me am student baako Beatrice Jumfo Williams or Babe Pepi mu akere oye ja nima bi a ediba nsempa wum nima pa wum na ebi so ho a say if it goes beyond then I'll see how should we manage ourselves. The home can build, but the home can also destroy. Auntie, Mama, Mama, Akosia, Memache.
Mejuso, Japa.
Mafio.
Miss Mafio, Pai Japaye. If I were Japa.
Oh, Akosia.
Japaye.
Akosia, Nami Tie, and Commander Honorable Kwajo MP for very impressive. So here will be a brabon, so honorable obeka say on fa hwe mu wa hwe obeka say I na say ye wo to see so a won chere tenten ye and I say papa obi and now mommy obi ntina wo do but when you listen to honorable now he baby you free back the struggles na this the structure at the home the maybe the disciplinarian parenting and all and on one as a person decision the choices and then never be because I want us to have as a prelude to and then become the home and then mofra ndetene the mofra ankum even a suicide ate say your man abano how different are they from honorable days how you are stressing me you are stressing me what is happening
Ghana ni bia mami bia one ne ba be ma wo US na or say the bad story mommy I'm depressed or say there depression ma ono African woman was say with depression what is depression was say e just abrehwo di atom so say na abrehwo da nya abrehwo di man am di aduane ma wodi what na nya abrehwo di man am di aduane ma wodi what are you talking about catch say when you depression na bibu say depression na ye dey I say abrehwo di atom kra so na nya abrehwo di na me de kwa adwuma no pa no
wodi di ye na
aye no na aduane wodi ye aduane wodi ye na abrehwo di wo wodi di am nya me na sesa me reho wo na eza wo reho obuza de ba de say one na sesa na reho nyi ono afi say woni yire woni ba untia water bay untia light bay onya ona ata de hye e de na aka so ye depressed Africans dey anti depression
akosi oni asem no enti akosi ayen fi asem free ho kwajo kan asem bi said na because ni man e be kan akosi adeba akwa emma school for na ye man na e school no ekunku ho eye non performance no school and my friend be was one yard ye pa and the consequential commentary wo mo ajanum o mo nanom ye no and I was semisika o semisika me de oku school se kosuare e de ori ama
me ka chine ba se we useless
yes
hu ni mfa so bia
yes
wo didi kwa
yes
ye kotu school fi ene ma wo tena fie kura
ankaye
na hwana mudi ni ko school yi we na se we wabon Papa, I'm telling you. Na me kwa minim say next topic we na beka because yesterday there was a young lady in my office.
Right.
She was crying.
Wow.
Like a baby.
Wow.
Because I see auntie me ankasa me maame. Ti me di matem. We are useless.
Oh.
Bibi papa bi eni umu.
Huh?
Ma wo nu me ho.
Maame na kasa chane ba.
Kasa chane ba. Ona oba. Ne ba no so yo oba.
Hey.
Mfaso bia ni so wo me wo nti wo die ya wo school a wabon we so a wabon what nti like papa unso nim say yankopon su e boy nyina we all need acceptance we want to belong yo nyina ya acceptance we want to belong nti for your
acceptance.
own your acceptance me pese me nye die kra me hu say woji me tum
oba na me
oba sa
me firi mu na ba
nti say me nye kura na ma process de kura I still want somebody to believe in me call school kura sa results na nye ye kura papa I still want somebody to believe in me say it will be better we all need that thing in our lives
right
say niam nko yo bi be kanti papa say ba say me anu kura me call school kura no me jimi hutum say bi amabon me mom me homoden because my class no we the first we the second we the third now me can from the bottom up now me nam tosu two is that the lawyer kwajo ponkro maka say from the bottom up no one and tosu two so akwa ba ko de we dan ade wo we no obedu ti no
eh kwajo
was it from the bottom down no the bia no yeah but on sa was na nkrofo ba na maame ho na maame ba ugumani mase because the mother was also a teacher. Eti but almost na akran so nya de sana omo free parents no
say then they call
the teachers no free parents
then they call fear
they call the parents say na oba no wonya de o no ma chiro omo the report no so ba no ma chiro report na se bad performance teacher ni nya dia no asa cho report na term report na baba say bad performance
akosi alba ko bi ho a teacher for no say bi a teacher for ye ni nsama no
yes remo
ni
ba na nya de kura bad performance de
young teacher for team pa
okay
young people's lives are in your hands. Teacher ni ochere honorable kojo upon kromadi. I'm sure say wunya no abotra and then you be very proud.
Yeah.
Say akrana wunya no abotra and they were turning out to be a parliamentarian, one of the finest politicians Ghana has ever produced. Akra current state and in the future. If it says circumstances are not permanent, and a developing child cannot be said to be bad because it is called developing child.
Oh, nyini.
A fin wunyini. And to you teaching now here, but so now with Timia. But when you say, Woma akrebia oshewon semono, embe yese obi asabe ne ho nimfa so. The future can always be a mystery. But wow, we teaching ya ukura akora no. So what the akomapa? What the berry? Now what the abodu cherry? Any nkuranshe so ne mu a. Don't be surprised. The person may be more than even honorable.
Yes. It's true. Papa, that's because I say after Form 1, no, who say, oh, prepare. Because no name says preparation will lead to success.
Right.
But the bro who say preparation leads to or enter into distinctions. Copy me up to now. Enter into distinction. Up to university level. Kosa. Obi enough from. Obe PA banner from P4, P5, or banina, na ya bad from the bottom up and the torso too. No, a bedroom distinction. Omoye BC distinction, SSC distinction, or do investigate first class. Just a cosa. Wow. Or say invest or your business or set up your own company or call law school. Papa, say, look at it. So Papa Nkawi and Kayatuna say,
why, quiet law.
Yeah,
one of the finest journalists.
Yes, Papa. I know host 2 morning show or Joy FM. Or Sansukuta MBA. Just why any courses be or be a business. Senti Papa, look at such a refined mind. But at that time, near so a bone. Yes, recently, me story be okay in university. A pharmacist. I cry or your pharmacy.
Okay.
Or committed suicide.
Yeah.
A young lady.
Yeah.
You're quite a note now at all. And I are so on to me meeting Papa's expectation. As you cry Papa Nanka ocean and resource and Nankanya bad. Papa not set a standard.
Parental
I say on to me on rich ne Papa is expecting so much from her. And on to me, it at the end of the day, no, it's better to die than say, oh parents, Ebeka say, oh, wabong, and answer one more. Inti parents, the best woman. Munya kwadano ho obi a slow learner.
Oh,
obi ho at the university level kra no ya de.
Media ibio.
Yeah. Obi di actually, but ye na de papa and net de na social media no so abana. Obi a post to recently Ghana Education Service.
Right.
E the statement about bonting. Say omo chasa say parents in the ba. Ewie JSS. SS into akoto card ya ma na school.
I go say I know answer de.
Na akora wo gina ho no. Se ni obeka say eh na me de.
Yeah be pap I know say dey.
I know say dey e free na ba ye. Say ye took car. From near mako school mu secondary school say me ba wie papa oba na wa wie SS ayi kwanya SSE. What say na wa wie no? Yeah SSE. What say na wa wie no? Papa results no kra mayo.
Am I?
Na wo hu se nipa no ko be perform na so e tie den na wo ko school mu ho akwaye party ama no wasa akoto car
sani owie
university dia
no first class dia
ne e Ghana nya e to helicopter abata ni bi abase bone
se eno so ye den
eno so free ne beto mu san hwehwe ani mu na free he eti GDS for say won besere obetimi ayama no wo fie
eno anu no
na school premises na yesi akwada ye was awie enya SSC
na yakọ park
ena enya A level
ye de ma no
na ya be park car ɛwɔ school mu hɔ na nkora no nyinaa wɔ in the presence
na ko
of
say na say ɔyɛ lɔɔre a
ɛne nya asɛm bi to papa na different
Jelani sere waje
ai gise deɛ mekae sɛ apostle Kojo Safo na yɛ maa no yɛ fɛ ɛberɛ a adwoa Safo wie law school na ta yɛ youngest osa ɛna ɔkyɛ ne fie ɛti saa deɛ to ɔma ne fie
ɛyɛ kama
saa wakɔ law school wawie sɛ woyɛ lawyer wosan yɛ young lady ɛna ɔtɔ fie ma no saa na wase papa wase resource my
16-17 years
wo so ɔtɔ card akɔ school mu hɔ de kɔkyerɛ
wɔde bɛfa kwan so ɛmɔfra te saa no ebi wɔ hɔ a they are so reckless
baba ɔde bɛfa kwan no kora de waka
ɔde bɛfa kwan sɛ ɔde
ɛde abɛbobɔ nkurɔfoɔ abɛpira wɔm
abɛpira yɛn ɛde akɔsua it means that there were certain factors at home
oh yeah
akɔsua ebetumi adane abɔfra hyɛbere there are certain factors a ɛwɔ fie a awofo sɛ wotie a
yeah
obisa ho ko sabai mienu edi kan ɛdeɛ na meyɛ de aboa me bɛyi a ɛma ne current condition adane
nyɛma bɛsesa
deɛ ɛtɔ so mienu ɛdeɛ ɛna meyɛ etia no a bɛma na de sua akɔfɛ me because akɔsua sometimes people can make you feel very bad
yeah
sɛ wo ba a ɔhɛ na ɔnyɛ adeɛ no hey isa akɔsua ɔbɛyɛ deɛ ɔhɛ no yi a ɔbɛyɛ rɔba obi wɔ hɔ a
yo tibi bie na ne kasa obi ba
sɛ ɔhɛ no yie because nkɔrɛ nsua no deɛ ɔnyɛ adeɛ mu asɛ wakɔyɛ rɔba
na akɔrɛ nya ɛno kyerɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ amrɔba
na ɔyɛ ma hyɛ na tu kɔ fie na wɔnya bere no so
na the pressure akɔto akɔda
no so but akɔsɛ yɛmmra the parental expectation a wɔka yi sɛ yɛfrɛ adeɛ bi sɛ ɛntifo mu nti me nso ɛwɔ ha yɛfrɛ adeɛ bi sɛ living your dreams through your children
living your dreams through your children
living your dreams through your children sɛ mepɛ sɛ meyɛ doctor ɛna unfortunately mentumi ayɛ ɛfiri sɛ ɛnneɛma nkɔ yi ama me ma wɔfoɔ ntumi ahwɛ me ma ho ntumi ntua me fees ɛnti ma wo me mma awie no mepɛ sɛ meba baako ebi a lawyer na mpɛ sɛ meyɛ mentumi ayɛ no anaa medical doctor na mentumi ayɛ no anaa engineer na mentumi ayɛ no ɔno deɛ mɛhyɛ ne ketee parental expectations sɛ mepɛ sɛ woyɛ wei most of the time no living ourselves and are living ourselves through the dreams of our children. Say, a dear ne yepese yenyano. Ah yenyano. Yepese ye mano ebeye a vehicles in achieving it a wrong. A basa pa what the pressure ebe to akurano so. Now han wo shane kete. Nati e bribi a wode wo dreams. Opese wo baba akon esua wo dreams no. The child fails to live their own dreams. As I say already, you know, ultimately achieve it by yourself, not through your children. Tinipa. So opese wo ba esua wo dream a wo dream. So they will carry your dream up to a point and then they will dump it. The entire mofrebi abandon family values and I make catch away. I say I'm a bread. But I want to be myself. And the goes the Kojo the expectations.
Yeah.
I now kind.
I know to the two who say yeah.
Parental expectations.
Yes.
Because you are sometimes as parents. You better say abofrano be ye baby.
Papa, me friend of parental insecurities.
Okay.
The entire American son say parents no or they ne say the nebane be ye nebe mo no anya animunyam. It was the value no or the nebane ne rate how far or no better.
Right.
It is an ebandi madia na chese woni madie.
Right.
Se ne babo ne ho modia na chese wo no chese oh asa akwada no modern bono ene akwada no yie die ne nka nko no eno ne validate no as a good parent.
Hey, I love that.
Akwada no adesua akwada ne modern eno no o maame anase papa no wo de validate ne ho.
And it's a man in here chese
na chese wo no waye batambo no waye ase wo no na eniguase ne yo no na eso no. Eti ne ban ohun se ne ban ye individual.
Is deep.
Papa ne ban ye individual. Akora no nyame de ne fa wo so ba wi ase ba akoda no hyebre ene wo hyebre nyepe.
You are a vehicle.
We a vehicle. And akwadaa no nyame de ne fa so de wo buy. Eba wiase. Akwadaa no hyebre nya wo hyebre. Eti wo de ne say wo parent you will do your best. Wo betete akwadaa no. Wo beche no kwan pa wo mfa so no onyina wo mfiri ho. Wonyine no wo firi ho a. Wonyine no wo firi ho a eno nkyere say wo no wabra bo nyina ba wie na wo pese wo kume ena de ena wo kume ni mase ena wo ntwa ede na menamfofo beka ede na asorefo beka eti parents ni bebre no ede wo mama no ye nhwehwu ani mu parents ni bebre ede wo mama no ye nhwehwu ani mu wode ne ba no because aye ne ba no de validating ne ho
eti che say akra no modern mono ono hunu say a vehicle ono say a tool
sa
enti say o mo homode a che say me na mabon
ona abon
me na masay
sa wo pese wo ko bragis me ba ye engineer o me ba no ye medical doctor me ba no ye lawyer o pese wo kan de tu ne ho ebi akodan nso so pese wo ye makeup artist
okay
o pese makeup no ye
no pese wo ye
o pese wo ye
lawyer
yeah o pese wo ye interior decor na ne interior decoration ho to pese wo ye interior decor but onu hu ne sesa ne ba ye interior decor animonyam nim
hey now, because that's a very important point.
Yeah.
And because I say, well, not just say, your structure, and ma, your dream.
Yeah.
And no, a year, and maybe you are a year. Anna, and maybe you also a year. Is that correct?
Yes, that's true. That's true.
Okay.
Yes. And you say, I say, me buy a lawyer, dear. And yes. Hey, now my daughter has graduated from law school. Now, mommy take pride in that. Me ba a medical doctor. Yes. Me ba a medical doctor. O take pride in that. Oh no, the one ho. It will say, we dream this person we makeup artist. Na makeup artist them do. I saw them murdered the wakwa kwachire say.
I na me
interior decor. Wobra, mami we kra o e masore ba no. Ono ne ba a medical doctor. We buy an engineer. Who so koye makeup. Who so koye footballer.
Me Osafo. Me go jam me ko preach. Na me ba wa man say hello daddy. I want to be a dancer. Na me say who is which dancer?
Yes, I want to be a dancer.
Okay.
It was a button a yen senti parents ni bebre no omo di omo man na ebe validate omo ho.
Not just say your structure and maybe I will feel say.
I will feel ho sa.
And no way enya dia.
We di we nya. When you outcast for. Aduma. When you street for. We street for. And monyam nim. Hey, it will you busu di owura mu a share lawyers, doctors, engineers. Aha. Na se busua no. Yes. Omo society mo no omo animonyam. It is akwadaa na ono papa wo nyini no. Ni dream man say I want to be a dancer. Me pese me ye be a movie director. It pese be a me kon nafti.
Okay.
And na bebo wo be obeko medical school no. Wo so pese wo koye de ko yise na sini de na wom.
NFT.
It was akwadaa papa na bemu obu. Eti akwadaa ya papa na wo KNUS your committee suicide dia. Or true no to two say I can't meet my father's expectation.
Okay.
Me jidi sene bia na nye pharmacy na opeso ye.
Opeso ye bribi.
Na bibi wo ha ebi ko opeso ko ye sociology. Ana ko ye bibi. Ebi na nye pharmacy na na opeso ye. Eti na obre. Na ade nso nipa na ni mu no papa na obre. Nipa na obre.
But because you help us here. Here for Mrs. Beatrice June 4 Williams.
All right.
The PhD student, proud PhD student.
Thank God.
We're defending it.
Oh, you're beautiful, so.
Aye. Wabiseja.
And we say beauty with brains.
Just a brains. Wabiseja.
Wabin and Hunso.
A mother of 3.
Wow.
A mother of 3. And that was studio.
Okay.
Many who say free shoe. And you about suicidality. About how actually they come.
Yeah.
Beatrice, the first locally trained suicidologist in Ghana.
Wow. Wow.
Now this is not a mofra transitioning. First year university students.
Okay.
Or or because okay. Kwasi. Ono de makache wo doctor na obey.
Aye, doctor na obey.
What do you get the bottom man na obey? And your wife is what? No.
Yeah, no. Akwa so suro ne mama, so ne papa.
16 years, 17 years.
Ah.
No. Oh, wo ra wa. Me baba ko wan ya obi university at age 60.
Usa.
Enti wo ko no wo de wo huna no.
Yeah.
And I won nimu a wo koyi. Enti wo ko nyina won pese.
Yeah, wo enya no kura no pe papa.
But what can it be?
Yeah.
Say eno na say okoye.
Yeah.
Enti won nimu wo koyi me pese no. Na dia don't want to do that. No, wo be ye. Tena say.
Yeah.
See wadwene. Me catch on.
Yeah, can some tell what?
Me di ura wadwene.
Papa, wo mu ya no mo de religion na kan. Bible say obey your parents.
What's already? I'm me nyam. I say what is unu of you. And I'm say hey, back here, Nana. Obey
your parents.
That is stop.
Obey your parents. Di we janu nani. Na won kwa na. Eti di mini. Wo ma me minim dia ye. Me na minim dia ye. Me wo ho ansa na wo ba.
Jesus.
No mo dia kan me wo ho ansa na wo ba.
Me na me wo. Bra me bre ye. Wo kwa ye wo.
Wo pese wo kuma ni mu ase. Wa fefo ekoye medicine no. Wo so pese koye makeup artist. Wo say ya man ko sua makeup. Na wo pese ye hair stylist. Hair stylist. And say o me hye tire no. And so papa wonim say ne.
Okay.
Omo ye bridal makeup ni ade.
Right.
3,000 Ghana cedis.
Why we are
4,000 Ghana cedis. 2,000 Ghana cedis. Aye.
No aje.
Oh yes, omo je no.
Yes.
Aye, enti ebi a okoye ebi mu kra ebi mu level no e ye 10,000 Ghana cedis. Your categories.
One banner
makeup no ayama o bridal trade no. Omo ka ho nyina no. Onwie no na ne sika ye 10,000 Ghana cedis in the morning.
One day.
One eye. You were big makeup. Omo ye professional makeup. Emma yi nipo oma gidi celebrities akese e bi kra e di omo tu kwan e ko US UK omo di omo chi omo na ye omo makeup.
E go say ebre.
Yes, yeah papa ya. The hair stylist, style omo ti e giska akese. Eno na nani je ho, ni creativity na ho na wo. Obi o interior decor. And the conkrofo be warrior events a year. But we investi, but we see no pay. Okoye bi a scores fufu bi kra. E wo hospital say no pay, but no so na oya wutim say na koma to ne yam.
Wow.
It say bi mu ye degree na no de mama, me ya mount ji degree. Na fe me koye de me pay.
And that's the thing.
Yeah.
And you were pa. Now ofele say I'm going to live my life.
Yes. Say de me no.
Me bebu me bra.
Yeah.
Me share abranti bio campus. And we first degree. Obama say, I thank God.
Oh. I
have successfully completed the program for my parents. So I've also applied to do another first degree.
Hey.
I'm telling you.
Or apply for another first degree.
One penny or my almost say change no problem.
To I the amount more money.
I'll say to we or graduate at the second class lower. And I'll say, you are the other.
Maybe money
in them fan to her. If he next, he's applying to take. Or here course on person.
Or no person.
And when we take 7 years or 5
years.
Hey! To all two first.
And the mammy papa only certificate in bed, the first one.
I'm fan to that case. But I go say, let's make that last point. Yes. And you go say, the issue is, yent a fieni view. I go say, I'm going to be on so. I can't know, I say,
we name the pet.
Why you confused?
Yeah.
And to all, I know about, Daddy, how about if I became like somebody, or done it is or I can't say natural and always count. Oh, yes, on a one.
Yeah.
And someone can, but I guess that one of the problems, and they say, because you need guidance.
Yeah.
You find a career guidance.
Guidance, yes.
Say, and crown on school, but you engage in them. What do you want to do? Now, because Nadia, I don't know, no problem. Don't stop such conversation. A young parent, you were at the back of our mind. So we are not there.
Yeah.
But the exploration. A bit so a useless copying.
Yeah.
That's what you're kind of. What the hell? Yata and be. It's why I chatted accountant. Any home fair.
Me buy a lawyer be ye.
Now who channel? Want to be heavy? Yeah. I also want to know what are your views?
Papa, a real pie wo hopa. Na enkwadano unse we parent a monitor wo man kakra.
Okay.
Who observe wo mo a ubehu because me baba ko the fourth one no.
Right.
Utimi so no wo de ade to a so a good planner. Nti o ya no de ade to a ba ko na de ono no pe science no. Ono kwa pampa boda ho kra wo hu. Onu ni tinu kwa se onu de biology physics ni engineering or human ni dia no etu obedu fie kwa nka so huru nkuko atum se ofa yi na so mama so the sponge am say the sponge dey huru nkuko the utensils no but the other one no okwa be ma wo obewu huru nkuko nim kama ahyehyɛ aye aduane am wadi call the friend the scientist the enemy about the manipulating the aduane.
I see.
He cannot cook. It's why I will say if you don't do this, I will not cook the rice for you to eat. And also I'm say I don't know who's here the no na unuane nya manipulate. Who aduane no because we are twins, one boy one girl.
Okay.
Eti ahanti unhu aduane no say ebeboa. Unse wo say papa twins o. But obano ope English into a literature.
Literature.
But Bema no so munyame wo mu the same day. But we per science, we were per mathematics.
Different ambition, different skills.
We maybe Busa Obanso was in be influencer. I'm saying influencer. No, yeah.
It's modernity.
Yes.
And it deserves
be influence on what? Because you have to be specific. A DNA person also okay. A be a share. Say be a fashion and I say a be a biblical values and I say me person me who but I want to do something that will make me an influencer but me person standing for something solid people will know me for this one but then ma can wait ma me be a worker to say me ko can say influencer me say rather than dey asem here na me say ka ko law e ba me trim sa I want to Prof to me read be a literature I say business administration me I want to be an influencer. Yeah, also my business administration me I want to be an influencer. And I'm say okay. And it matter what yeah. And papa ye nim say lack of knowledge my people perish. Ye nim and I make no the root cause na kwa ye ya categorize ejuma e ma ni munyam. Any ejuma any munyam. Dear Emma papa no parent na family no status kosoro. And ye de value mo and me ka say abusia we de wokomu a eti me so pese me baye bi na agya me ko gina sorry them. Praise the Lord,
hallelujah.
My daughter just graduated when a medical doctor na asori wo kwa de we be si applaud no and say medical doctor no ne ba no e doctor o ne ba no e doctor he say so engineer eti papa it will take a long time and na yetimi sa foundational any error no yetimi ahyehye ne yie nte sa de a ebe ha dweba ebe sere abata omutie Sompa Rhapsody ne say ene bra sesante sa tete no
that's right
ente say ene obi ye won krofo kra medical doctors a ebi ye fashionistas
that's right
oye medical doctor ebi so eye yi design clothes ebi ye stylist ne ade ene ma sesa eti ye man kwada ne kwan na de nyame di wura wo mumu no empie na so pese we live we dream through your child and de na me pese me ya me the school de na mabon o ba se me be ni ma de de se ro si ni ma de pa de odi sa na wo de akamfo ne ho ono abatan hwehwe ni mu odi akamfo ne ho enti say be man kwada na ebe depress wo mo dodo o mo be pursue course wo mani nyo and they will not be happy na ne nye ade na wo ye na ne nye and na papa say wo ye bibi na wo ne nye ho na obi ase nyame amoye so obi me hye so sa obi me controls enti eba sa adwene be bie ba wo trim so mo say de be ba kra na say me kra ma me nkum ho na ma me ne papa kra ma bre it's a lot of thoughts be bre beba enti ebe say about time wo mutie Sompa Rhapsody ne so papa be ye suicide ho say yentie na yɛmfa futuo no mmɔbra na yɛmmoa yɛ ma no na yɛnhyɛ mu kora akɔda bi wɔ ayampa wɔnim deɛ wɔpɛ but wobɛtumi de na ma child psychologist bi na wadane no wokora so wɔ observe na wotumi sɛ ha deɛ wɔyɛ very good wɔ ha wɔyɛ good wɔ ha na yɛdane no saa na atumi aboa na nkɔdaa no atumi anya daakye
amazing time
na yɛbɛtie nkɔmmɔ no paa
montie papa abusafo akosua na mene no aye the first part no akosua onyame wonhyira wo enra na wade onabo
no abo
na onabo kojo opon kroma akosua ne ba ha nkoma e ba no the fallout no ebi ene the home efie school adesua akra bi ho ha onya de metwa me hutew nansa na no mame acknowledge me sponsors 21st clinic almost a sciatica commandant originator paysetters researcher sa ya na fa osisia wow to anse ade bisi na ho na e de odwedwe ya wose watia aduro so nti aduro bia so sciatica di no e mu itie di we a scientific name omode ha everywhere in the country Tantra Hill Runabout, Tema behind the Roman Catholic Church, Kaswani Market, Obum Road, Kumase and here overseas, building now Sompa 106.5, Sunyane opposite Regional Hospital First Gate, Tachima Old GN Bank building, Nkranza near Children's Market, Takwa, same building with Sompa FM. Takra, if you command number 9 taxi station. Brikum Goso or Boise. The other answer from 0540-311-31 0540-311-311. Sciatica Commandant 21st Clinic. I say just bread ni pastry say obese oye dokunudi. And can document me ba Beatrice or Tiben in the same document. No yan chinelli boswa, Sunny BCR in and a pay a funnel. Ope bread. FNS kinky, every just bread and pastries. Hey, don't look anywhere. Or someone they just hot kinky convenient, tasty or affordable. Is an alternative to the stress of preparing kinky. Obe quack of fat, alcohol, FNS more now afete na okra. One of the money teams I feel one area my pause and mambeka. Was see, it's a Monday. Just hot kinky. Me medibida. Makaras are dibia min dibida no. Me use you and I mean come my me used to be and no can have me producer. Many beside arrangement bill. What they qua a trying na what thing can document sent no. Oh, I miss it. No can document was sent to be or smell be. Now when you want someone a conversation to be the boss with your genie na garlic beneo a can say ginger bee. And tomatoes become baby I say a clean back when 3 cities and a wholesale price storage you know and see very nice or say available for funerals for event bulk orders and so available with me at top at 4 ball at the call baby and then the other Caribbean number is 025 60688 32025 6068832 or more, Joss Bakery, I order me behind Ghana Commercial Bank. As make your kinky experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with just hot kinky. And we have perfect baby diapers. Me over from. Hey! Ohana me dia for me. Unia oba to diapers ba. Ghana dey for pampers. Diaper dia e pampers. Tobra otoba osiasa na de ye yakuna se wataba na akra na bobo obeta na na mo ye udade me mei na wase watade mu preacher me ko preachi na ese be matade because oye go na afa ho diaper na me de ball no ankoyi and no na perfect baby diaper say weep no child and so be yo say no Omode papa and Ghana heya ediaba. A bo ubano. The delicate skin be or how the bono quamusena, baby, ebony tongue, then na essence swan, be a kikakra no soon. And now what the bono swana pie. Na or your suguma hey na faho. Or ye, I didn't go muswana faho, baby. Perfect baby diapers. Oh my goodness. Omayan ye and is trusted across Ghana. And Timodia, I say a gentle care, perfect comfort and designed to keep your baby dry all night long. Beer, opposite to be supermarket, shopping malls, market, a hoodoo in there, we know a FDA approved. That jet to my boy, the Sompa Rhapsody from where 0531 099 889 0531 099 889 and that's 03039 57965 03039 57965. Perfect baby diapers. Obe boao ema oba skin aye kama pa. Osafo mi twa me ho tew me ba me ne Mrs. Beatrice Jumfo Williams, doctor to be, first locally trained female Ghanaian suicidologist. I'm so proud of you. And then when you have Friday so I twaso because some I be come na athesis we are person be transfer also one year be pepe mu papa awfo muntio we parent daddy mammy o adwum ana wotifia for pen and paper because if a ball bang by and my friend one medical school thankfully on so head now medical school and to be church near my water a school phobia geomonkwa and Osafo, this is a must listen. Just as I say we tune in, share the link. Monfa link, my link then call. Share it. Every say obeboy pa et you try to yaba twas.
Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, you're hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokunonua. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more to dokuno mountain so. And no more to etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuno serve wa wo ho. Wo de frey. Na yen customizing the mount. Say the wusi penny bia. Protein apese de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obienim say, just hot kinky, and noa, and ye serve ya wahu, just bakery, Ewodome, commercial bank in Chenwa, and to fraying, and was 025 60688832. Now, young customize your orders in the mouth, never serve what was said, they will say pen pepe. Just hot kinky,
just hot kinky,
and ye hot.
Yaba, I Sompa delight. Bro, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Oh, Nesha, so Frobi, Nobi, so Frobi Nakashani say Abna Ruthie. It was Sompa 106.5 FM. Or the Sompa delight, bro. Thank you, baby.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano ewe brim and am nensaso ama onyankopon we ya won wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home in TV program keke. Ayabra osro ni asasishia. Ayabro nyankopon kasa chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And some perfect service encha wo hu hoda. Ayadwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia. Fa woda ni nyina share radens na erade beye.
Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Yedi dwumadie bia ba yede beboa yankase abrabo. Aye fe ne Sompa Rhapsody.
The Sompa Rhapsody.
Eboso efi ejuada ekosi efiada. Anopa no mochi kosi anopa no ndu pepepe. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Enti share radio counselors. Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo ye clinical psychologist. Na ye theologian. Awa ben wo abrabo mu nimdie. Eni akosi agboaboaje. Ewo radio so. Ejuada ekosi efiada. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Na ubenya abrabo mu nyansa. Yebema wo wanamo SCCA se bibi mpo na ekoso wo abrabo mu a wonnim ne esese wo ya eya tie na yentufu e wo Sompa Rhapsody so na wo de wanamo SCCA. In a world filled with pressure, emotional burdens, broken relationships and silent struggle, Sompa Rhapsody emerges as a timely and transformative radio counseling program designed to bring healing, clarity and hope to individuals and families. Ente ya muankasa mo dia ye pesa abrabo ne ye mrema ye pesa wo di nimdie ebobra ye pesa esiwie ente hye so ejuoda ekosi efiada 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. anopa bia netie Sompa Rhapsody na wabrabo ebesisa Sompa Rhapsody ye die ni da so abro Sompa Rhapsody
The Sompa Rhapsody.
wo radio counselors chen so mo bebo
kwa Jesu why no Mr. Bremwa ayamio na adana kodani susa yam se kom na di no ene se wasu a Mr. Mfa na mame akoda na dadu so musa no hwe ne court ne mu krafo wo de mame nyini diaper no diaper no kra de masisa me hu ne amenyempo diaper na hwe diaper fufura abadwa so perfect baby diaper make na asemi chi nsu ankasa emu ya moto na ade bo akoda na ensansa bia enwu no perfect baby diaper make ye ne Ghana haye na ebua Ghana nkwada nsu ankasa onokwa na wokwai me ko perfect baby diaper si bia to sisi na akoda na
Fred 0531 099 889 and 0303 957 965 FDE aji edwedi nkratoi atu
from me mamo akwaba ediba Sompa Rhapsody enam Sompa FM 106.5 was also here ma aketuaba enne any Friday nsema me beka no ne nkomudi eba no ehia wo for papa ehia schools na we no yamfo bia se me amba ba kon wa bense ja Mrs. Beatrice Jofo Williams or your lecturer oboa emetete ya Dr. Fono efa wadi simona adwini mu ne atenka sa department no secretary a home and as a lecturer in fact or the first the entire ayana nkofo epese omoji omokwa ifrom nsem na unyame ya adoma se yekoto so a yeboa Beatrice work no a school for Omo Ewura University. They are in transition. Na adenti then stresses and then could hear say oyende Sania Bubu ha a ham of ram a free fia Kosi University. Na the findings not a impressive. As I say, oh for Pia with him in a father to win and then any Friday. Mempese ye be prekra afemu e wo se fa na mako na ye mpese the business na bet na shell ye wi ana da shell na ifia ba mo dabi ye work na ye wi suicide no ye wi pa na ba suicide prevention ye be fi ni ye be ye ni engage enti Mrs. Beatrice William Jumfo, a mother of 3, an upcoming suicidologist, lecturer. Me bacho, me watching.
Yeah.
Not to say.
Nyame ado.
Just be na me help be nice lady. We a scholar what be so influence. We a clinical psychologist. Which medical doctors are there, young medical doctors or medical school. Now when your topic be topic, say you suicide. Me just say.
Prof Medasi and so mefa kwenya so achia we tie phone nyina na madam was say for the opportunity say menya mete hey and yeah know it's about say yeah bo mofra ho ban
Right.
and sometimes American people will have be most start free be most start free nim
Right.
yeah no masters you started from enim no na ye share nyoma a bomb of ho ban ti my research trajectory really is being about adolescents children undergrad me share social and cognitive development and our factors are influencing masters and so me share bullying and I mean who
cry young basa
yes
school.
School setting one I said so captive setting no yabe school
Aye.
into no na obi
homo
so
no bro.
It's no not find this near interesting say self-esteem a low no lead to suicide but bullying no alone no not lead to depression and
self-esteem near said ya akra ne hu
ne ho waba school I will be dineni and my dream say me cry me nkwa and see me bedroom university na ma tete suicide but na me suicide research on its own and again because some baby development but venerable professor me supervisor because she no see no be yenye way and every 2018 I mean sign almost cause me say masters no even though you're not supervisor me no be kasa cause na finders no me nyai kakra say bullying I was say your medical students we lost some of them to suicide. I feel na akasa na be bebre suicide and yes suicide and as sometimes you see beka because you kromu ha no obi ko ne ho a ye mbo ho nkomo enti say o kasa na amanfo etia and you take advantage never can say my yenka in a structured way because we bana meet here so o kasa brabo any structure no
any structure obrana ye buni biara
thank you it's study suicide no within the structure young combining first years
right
time I year free because me and secondary school no na say nipa ni ebu ne ho abomfia suicide baba so be di nenia and time be say misua more enti emra wo share me no ekokwanya bibi wo mi mu na so na ye kan about parenting no I'm so okay maybe this has been there but na me explore it further into let me dedicate the PhD period no say mesua suicide about first years ya be mu yes omo be mu foforo no cause na say me who video bi omo wie secondary school omo tutu omo books egu say you almost say when I end it I so there's a connection you feel let's say secondary school na end it invest in it be exceptionally different but you could do one who so
SMP be me engineer transition say adania a free secondary school now they call university o ma me ahwe free secondary school said they okay we me cover me ma me no we every girls me do ho no chese they feel am I haga I say mo we be heavy in their life chese na menika na obi free ho ebi susua ebi 16 ebi 17 ebi wabro so 18 19 obi free ho aba university. I entered the university at age 22. Incidentally, my boy completed university at age 22. So think about that. Me we 22 no. Na just say 3-4 years no. Na me yakọ papa akọkra. I say me no ma papa akọkra. Sa no catch me. Also, I was an old man when I entered university. I be 22 no. And to be maybe say did you get furniture first about ahunkum suicide Ghana ha globally then this in a yembra transition.
Prof, near sini say amount for try someone be take your life. Once sometimes you know say media now report here ANC.
Okay.
So we share our first data now you collect and you say first your mama indicate to say on person will take your life out of about 1,000 or more. About 80 of them have attempted within just 1 year.
Wow.
And this is information I engineer also show one I will fail paper won't throw phone number won't throw it. And to say yeah couple say sometimes estimates need a bit low a bit means higher.
Okay.
But yeah, a better estimate normal report and to say within 12 months you put you lose 80 lives.
80 lives in 12 months.
In 12 months. And to say to me a projection will have Prof. It tells us say the fact say you can want someone doesn't mean say it's not happening.
Okay.
And sometimes you see you can say oh dream it to me lead to who even without attempting.
Hey.
And then the thought comes, you carry it out, and we may not be able to capture you.
Okay.
And to say yeah paper ni say no, you separate ideation from planning to attempt.
Okay.
And more it was nearly 300.
And in moment hill, ideation say more dream say minyame come ho.
Yes.
And planning not just say or afina.
Makoto
edro no wakoye say me
nyoma cheche.
Me cheche. And I oba attempt na
Maye.
my and I also the one 300 no.
Omo dream ho no.
Ah,
say I dream na ba.
Yeah, man I was school no.
Yes. And I be so.
Anybody hasa say omo dream ho hasa out of any pampem.
Yes. Now, Prof, you count the number of times in point. You catch them so. Indicated the number of times. I've been able to make sure like it's come about 10 times, about 100 times. I can't recall. Inside that and now number of times. Some of them will say over 100 times that they stop.
Krana or free secondary school see uncle see the man no.
Yes.
Was say bear oha ta 100 times no. Abana dum say unku no.
It won't put you uncountable times.
Adendi.
Prof, another good question. No.
Hey, be ya may.
Yes.
Me bumachi. Say won't go school no. Walk on school, I'll say. And I can say uncle no.
Yes.
Be boy.
Prof, I know Obi didn't. And I was a nya who you say. In Kolano and now Brabona ye boni and say the value of life I say. Yes, because Sebio send me phone yera said I'm a hopono. It means that me value phone no.
Okay.
Oh obi yera ni iPhone sabenka or ye admit no. Because no man na ye ne say what phone is no. Na sa na ebe hu abrabon so anka ebe so mu sa te se kosia. But sometimes na ye say sometimes even the way we communicate death. My name say wakwe now we Osafo. You know the pastor keeps saying so the person is absent here but present
with God.
I'm like please the person is gone. Can we just say the person is gone? Because we name in kolom we say. But sometimes they've come to us and said, well, grandma is dead, but the pastor said grandma is still with us and we are going to see grandma. And to the conversation say death no through suicide no is irreversible. Let me say and call down. Because the entire necessary, you know, or a colleague, a 16-year-old or oh, I've seen Superman do it a number of times. You would think a 16-year-old will understand that these are movies, but say your children say value your time, value your phone, and now say okay, school. I say me dima we man ko yerano, and now sometimes the conversation we have with the kids, provisions are media ma we so muye. Me kai there people your school ambo this join corner was and their befi because I will for na catch mu say ohia wo fie ente duani so mu ye but ya yenka say bo wabra bo ho ban na won kwa ho hia me. We don't have that conversation. It's about the materialism of the things that we have. But here, oh man, beka cho say won kwa hia me into wo kwe men koye bibi e ma ahwere nkwa no we don't talk about it.
Behold on there. Osafo Munti asema biika no. Now this is extremely important to me. Ose obano eko school. Yana omano ebia kivogari. Ebia amano milk. Ebia amano milo. Ebia wade sardine kakraka ho. Na okachire obano se okoi. Bese ohwe ni meiso. Memo bi sisiu. Emema obi mbo weni so. Bon ho ban because unu se mame me yem for meniska. Na bi se sa ansem na ye ka no. Eya ye me nimbra akora no so nkwa. Gari, milk, sardine, sugar. Wa obana brabo eso sene sa yema no. Nti wa to ni nyina ka bo mu a ebi ye be ye bi a 1,000 2,000 but bra wo bre ansana wo chima kra na wo no it's more than that and it plays premium on the life of your child na ye mama gari mama we nti ko heso that part is extremely important be catching but be I placing the value is it on the niema na ye de man kra se on fan ko school no ana kra no se obebo ne nkwa ho ban. Impressive point. Be trust mommy.
Prof, may I say thank you for emphasizing that. And to ne bia hono so na nyoma asabi nkola ne bia omo hu ofie no. Ya beka cho so ukwe men konum wi sabi. But who said the roommates share or you okay? And we've had that come to us. Akwale bia or jumpy free 5th floor. Ebe form. Because now I fight a drone because now for no who's on monoma, you know, and some conversation, no, me personally, my catch almost my man said, listen, Obi has said, you said in the status here, man,
right.
And to no, or what am I here, like Jeremiah, no, and to no, bottom my and shame. Won't move be that. And to know maybe because some of the lives we have lost, even with medical school, you call back no. Now your substance use. And on him say, if you see a tree, and to me
okay.
And I you won't so a good anymore, say a best shame no. And to now or no secretly. Now affect no, and then what we are there. And it starts like that. Oh, now some papa cry. I hope about me who's on red wine, shame your more. But why are you saying I shouldn't drink it? And in some more transitional more bar, and has a freedom be.
Well, free fear, you, my free fear. Obviously, my free tag.
Me, I'm a person, you know me, I'm a D. I'm a person with share a message because secondary school grow for share every annual.
Yeah, you're more.
Maybe I will fear no. Yeah, the share net yamu. Who do I look at say? Obi Hans and the foundation no, a share and a chassis. And when we have the conversation, how we look at the doom aspect of it. Say, don't touch it. But I will say to you, my friend, don't try it.
Don't try it.
Because you are not used to it. So you would see friends who are using it.
Okay.
But it doesn't mean that you should use it because you don't have the capacity. Your brain does not have the capacity.
Right.
And when we open the space for the conversation, Prof, a man calling to me back. Almost was same no. You know, by the same age.
Wow.
One of your boys. And to make a say, these are the girls who have been bullying me. Some say, into my most says I move bully me, be a mamu. And almost so it's not only us, so there are other people.
How already is it?
Wow. I think that sometimes we assume that because you're saying we are automatic parents. You know, and it's one of the things that I find that we don't focus on. We are what transition now. Because sometimes, transition now, we don't focus on transiting females to motherhood.
And teacher said, it's a sign about and corabra, but no person say, your mamba, no, that's it. Not be I want
Prof, say any don't be as you.
Okay.
And say I share ecological model from Brenna Dene use here.
Right.
Okasa about micro wow your own level, family system.
Okay.
Now, if you want to, how a family, connected with the schools. And sometimes, you judge certain parents for certain schools they choose for their children.
Okay.
Having worked in the space for long, I appreciate parents are intentional with the schools they choose for their children. Yes. It's a bit a Catholic. Obeying Catholic school. I've come to respect that.
I didn't.
Because, Prof, on say any addition
Values.
There are schools I have worked with. As a young psychologist coming up, I knew I would not want to enroll my child in that school.
I see.
Because the sikana a training kolani in some of the schools. Morality ni ho. And to school na jidin by entia abofra. And to say a transition, even the schools we enroll the children in. Schools be higher di birthday I be che dan mu a. Na say me this sika we dey kwa che dan.
Na me say where PH na me to helicopter ma wana na me fa training bra.
Wa onim say na ye no.
Me say jumfo me fa training bra via na say. Me say we dey me be say o catch me fa train. I say friend is saying our phone be e ba wi school no. Omo akoma omo cars. And maybe one who really PhD. Now say secondary school, and I check cars there. Me ni apenya jumfo. Me srawo. Me here train.
Prof comedian
ma. Me pesa you to train. You nya train now dey me enter helicopter. Why? Na ever ma be. If say secondary school, ebenya car there. Maybe that's a very interesting point. That's a very important. Me share say transition no. Open say what say anka yen say you be prepare for it. And you say or kwa keke.
Yeah.
Now maybe you for secondary school. Be August ya me metu nya me ya no mutwa o mbeko university. Me ya dey me a parent. E dey na me. Nko me na me ne mo.
Prof, I think say university education different.
Okay.
And starting because me first time I'm you drew BAM library. Let me say now library na so say.
Oh, library is work at and I just say the library as a labyrinth. Maybe I say, hey.
Yes. And I guess there's sometimes one a contest.
Okay.
And because obi a shares university first year no structures ne wo ho.
Okay.
It's private and even so be a oba legon no baby o free and sign na oba bedroom legon no those days oba fa taxi call taxi na baby a call no bet to me ananti oba do ba call nanti ho sa.
Okay.
And I was say you have a conversation about the level of independence.
Right.
Say normally be like and no I'm a bunny call baby or shattered.
Right.
And I'm like, you can't go out dressed like this.
Okay.
Or call lectures, I can't go and determine what he's going to wear. Sometimes on campus, I don't know if you've seen it, even some of the girls are wearing. And I'm wondering, did they know? Say, I had no more banombe to me a she went in Omutogu Honana. So it starts from the course, like you're saying, the program we are going to do. Because their paper, and we found that some of them, they did not like the subjects.
Oh.
They didn't like the
until all school, no? One period, university na say parents na they cost man.
Yeah, sometimes a medical school. Okay. Even though Baba out as a surgeon, that's not what they wanted. Yes. And some people too want to do reading subjects.
Okay.
But you did well with the with the programming. And sometimes people don't even know what they are choosing.
Only
guidance. Make a madam for people choose political science. Also can say science. Yes, that's you are back for your science.
Is that political science?
Political science.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Bebano, within the secondary school, if we can have times with the university faculty what are the programs available in the various universities. Obi wa ha o choose program because na for choose. Obi wa ha wa chef ya de bia Accra. Primary school Accra, secondary school Accra, and Tobacco Kumasi. Meanwhile, you haven't lived by yourself before.
Hey, I'm from Montier pa Obano.
Even though
what's in church? Melo Echo to Tamale. Now in Yadi, Mujamui.
Because of people like I say, in resilience, and they know a one setting aspect, but on establishing in living by themselves. And see, the people you are going to stay with in the rooms.
No, be
yes, bro.
Be so nyama to me. Be a parent be oha. One na tana baby 16 years, about 17 years old. I say, Quasi, watch out. Watch out. It's in Besame do call Obeko Sunyane, University of Den. Oh, now, Akron so. Or no quantanase, and son of and now watch it. Say, our phone. Say, Pessia, yes, sir. Careful. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, Prof.
Wow.
And sometimes in Pono, if you be a sika woman, they take the kids abroad. And then honey, so sometimes, maybe an university war, maybe or tenor, their trains apart. And yeah, how to mean him. And some of them are exposed to substance use because they now call Abia Canada a chiri baby, Obi anyho. And I am finding share a busweni bin sonsa. Maybe no abroach and to say Abia okay.
This is very interesting.
Maybe no Canada Prof or her Prof in a weekend, you know, I can bet to me a befie.
I mean, what did you go baby fee?
It's a free Ghana. And sometimes the longest period they've been away is maybe 2 weeks on a holiday. Some of the parents have come and said, the kids have said, I felt my parents abandoned me. Because some of them go to universities that they're the only black students.
Hey!
They have gotten there because scholarship and not because they were in international universities. And they struggle. And sometimes they do a university, maybe only 3 and now 4.
Okay.
And work from the same secondary school. And see the challenges with distance, you know, it can be local and also international for our first years.
Distance, I cannot through
that spatial separation.
Or quite chilekakra. Wow.
And the first year, Obana said, on one to not on one scene in your mother boarding school, near never free fee, Yako senior, they are brand every weekend. Now they have to take care of their own laundry. And the roommate to be complaining, you smell. And the transition, no, it's now. On sin in your mother. On where do you another?
Because you ain't know if you man.
And to obey the resource inscription, I call soldier my BBSC. But I could be a sort of chicos. I nearly bent the kitchen down.
Some
and you know, the transition means that I'm not going to be with a child like I was with a child in secondary school. And see, the conversation no start from the first time or we in the last paper. So before we even, and now I understand, say you choose the university after your results is released. And see, like you're saying, now Oko UDS,
wow.
How are you going to manage there?
Wow.
And the transition is a lot of things, Prof. Financial transition. Obi wa ha o man 10,000 ne obeshe no. Because they spend without accountability.
Just as kind of the man no. And
they be a secondary school near the man secondary man is senior and now the housemaster be into here no akoje. But we no ya di ni na ma no. Enti na dwene say ni na san ebiom besamba.
Pemu do ya de ahya nsem.
And to that financial management conversations, you know, the period of 5 or 6 months, no wolfing. Let's practice. Okay, so I'm going to give you 100 cedis for the week. Let's see how you manage it. Because when you go to university, you're there for 3 months and you're on your own. How would you take care of your breakfast, your lunch, in between managing your lectures? Because some of them, they are used to the chalkboard. And now the lecturer is teaching. Because what we found is that even satisfaction with the relationship or with their lecturers, or baby university for years, only in Professor Bakupodin.
Hey! By Banama reference, Amano. Oba Menimo.
Because any lecturer be an sabbath to say no or to saying or begina no no why engage. Lecture is that people how you're busy.
Okay.
So the transition, personal skills, personal grooming skills, how to take care of yourself, how to be your own person, and then how to relate with people. I was listening to an interview of a business executive.
Okay.
I said, "Yeah, when human relations." Onim send ya to me be so be said to say obetwen etie response. Onim ye. E mo fani bi wo ha sabi ahomaso. Enti no send your name crofo kasa wo fie no or secondary school there were issues. But the honors obi ade ne ho. By university no nim crofo for na what them. You have to learn to be respectful of them. To me be when you ho say you are listening to music and now I'm doing my daily devotional. The person may be doing a devotional later in the night, but you want to impose on them. So the soft people skills, Prof, is a part of the conversations. What's the name Colano? Have ansana. Omako University.
Be say soft people skills. Obviously, what you say. Said ye ne ye ma. Ebetinas near church room. Nipa ne nipa ehun kita hundie oba no nete sabi o kasa kira otutu efuma akora bi o ha onim sade ye ka please onim sade ye ka say thank you and na wonna tana also unfortunately o fa ne say wo ba enti o sua onyi obesua ana wa nyini o be free wonsem what's what na ko baby akoye course bi o because ba che wo once one channel said ye any nipa enyankita hodi enti akra no efiri won channel kwasa transition ye ka transition sanse sign na eba won ntem say we free ho no akoba ebi no efein na akra no besua said ye nipa esika safa said ye nipa esinyankita hodi waye ade bi enye say ne osisi na taade osore a obesi ahihye ne day say meko lectures me ba metna se me ba me aduane me ba meko bam ana meko library Miss Ghana library for bam library meko makotna se suade sa structure ni nyina ni hye nyina oni na be work no no say sa lack of we kita wodi aye benya ene yema ne benya no o say a big issue and on so ne keke ento ba ne ma say university ba ko ss ba ko oba no on prepare no and the transition be you are killing me today transition but me pesa ebi no so say be transition atiase university so ban on ye de mai wo ba na twa wa ma o se obese o ye ebia business obese o ye ebia law obese o ye ebia medicine obese ebia engineering what they call ya yamano wo ma say invest ne ka ho pa na transition no be what is your view on that?
Yes, Prof. No, you into me can say ni ho.
Okay.
University no criteria how they select it.
Right.
And sometimes no programs ni bo ha what to me advantage just an interview.
Okay.
And be na omo pay all A's. No akonya A B 2B.
Okay.
And sometimes to me can say now then I me baninya 8 A's. When your medicine. Obi ebe 6 A's. When your medicine. Obi ebe 6 A's and B's when ya. Sometimes akolani ba interview like no man na woka no.
Yeah.
In penny 40 honchia. Onya bo manu ati.
Hey, be what you dey pa o. Akrana wo ba wo se be so a doctor.
Yes.
And na ye be an interview. We obe company e money ekun. Ura.
Ora honchia. And why are you here? Well, my father said I should come.
Jesus.
Who is your father? No, I born by Prof. Osafo. My father is the head of department. He's head of Center for Agent Studies. Ahumaso
be no the aba. My father is there.
So why do you want to study? And you know, some of the programs want to mean your chance for interview. Some of them so results, you know. So like we're saying, and university no was structures, and maybe for some of them, no, you to me entrance exam to help the students.
Right.
Because some people will say when at school we employ more into the be A, but maybe an means we per se and that's why we're saying say. And yeah, only the cost. Because sometimes no people have 6 A's, 2 B's, but Osha baby or free ba. Then a seminar or kana. So me school home me chrome now me quite a million 6 A's. I said the whole region. One who na ebia nipa all by interview no. Prof ebia na tade no share nenye neat because of free straight from the place no ba.
And all by interview no.
Obi so jina bonti or by interview na. I said, "On my people in Yaneno, etu na ta dear man." And so, see how our casa near China or Bonting. Obvious one, a bush on 4 points to a by interview. Sika on ya poor the best failure from Nipo. And to be even I say a fin, then we'll ask, now why are you looking like this? I just arrived from here. I slept at the bus station.
Whoa!
So I can make it to this interview.
Whoa! Whoa!
And see, Prof, and you say university in a M.P.S. Bema Ebimo courses, but say ye training for the future, no, I was see a protected public interest.
Right.
Ni who say nipa na ye manu program re ababe ye no.
Wo bet me a ye. Yes, Obana, yeah. No, I can seven some phone actually.
My father is a professor. My mother is a doctor. We are my family. We are all doctors. My motivation is just to continue the family trajectory. Okay. My parents own private facilities. Well, I have 5 siblings who have all come to the University of Ghana Medical School. Okay, that's nice.
Wait, not just say, I'm Rana, I say, Abusia Bidia, or Mama, and yet certain courses. Now, younger mamma say, yeah, I made it for you. Yeah, idea. You know, your course will be already.
It is sometimes, and sometimes I come to Nkolani.
Okay.
Oh, I'm there. I'll show you the program. Oh, my father told me that he knows half of the panel. You know. Oh, I know, Dr. Prof. Osafo. That's my auntie. That's my uncle. So, there's some sense of entitlement.
What?
So, on the pastors in Kwana, what panel on so. There's some familiarity against Obia. Only be. But said you be a free SHS and so no to me a second.
But be an amateur to say, among so medical school doable. Yes, you'll be so hot or bad. Say beer, never fire, or your tom for, lay off our console, or ye hunter, and about console driver. Takuyan and Miana one, Wabika or by ya. Mubisan say yes. Who are the medical doctors like Bobo or uncles, and now near one day, also will be a member of a tom for, we or a Bobo for. Laba consul a captain, and I say, get up and go, and also can say.
Prof, and no sooner a case by case.
But
a financial issue.
Be Mutasa.
Prof, Ebia Nipa no be money programming, Ebia now went to me and we.
Oh, Nazatana, Mommy, I don't for a cap in the note me whatever.
Now, who is a book the back here say? It's why we share Ebia. No admission and no san ye bisa.
Okay.
Ye bisa within the university, so yenya obi and waba interview. Oh, you're good.
Right.
But Ebia now went to me because of financial issues.
Right.
Is there a
scholarship?
Way?
Okay.
Well, because Prof, Bibi anya ya so ko school now till lecture ho na accommodate.
Okay.
Teacher nature dey cry in room. Well, when Tiffan ana baby a wo beda pono, unni baby a wo beda. And for some of them the same clothes all the time. And a book in so recommend and now Omako trap picture now BB and I say everything is online. Only phone people know that they are online. And sometimes no share na ebi a nipa we money program we at this point in their lives.
Oh yeah, man, you kura no.
Wahano.
Enkwe yeah,
Wahano. But if ebi as a nation we had subventions for ebia omaba wabing because psychology for instance any cheap
right
papers are obe kind lectures assignment in your be online.
Right.
Maybe I'll bet to me a collab to invest in and now post-secondary education. Prof. Ne boyading. It's expensive. And sometimes no be how many program now on to me, ebi pano to me ama. No I block it or before for a chance. And na ya waiting list. And now opportunity for you to come again next year when ebi your financial issues or because some to make us so me kwa try there was secondary school be and obi to make us so ocean ne application papers now ebi obi school 2003. Why are you applying now? Well, I went to teach and I have gathered enough money to come and apply for the program.
Okay.
And sometimes now we for no one take what goes into the selection. I say, I feel say the banana 80s no automatically no see a makolano the program of choice. But there are other factors that we consider in.
There are other factors. This mama, I lines no. You started this conversation is a very deep one. Number no 0260 1960 0260 1960 and about kono so 0260 1960 0260 1960 fre pa we offer na me say ye engage bi pa e be say to so on Friday baby my hwe enti wa bobo transitional problems bi and before ye nyabre ne montena se na ene mon nin komo emfa de o koye nchech ma de and bi wo so we are living our dreams through them na de ka ho nyina afi me yembra enkran wo rescue ha or research no okay BSc obi ba na enkrofo no o me pa pa hello eja memo ashin
Pode me dizer
yo ne France na o frefre
Pode ser David que tema
David yankasa
and person bisa say the performance media we started kedu way fa and I'm branches never he
forms na dia but dia obese otobia university forms no almost all the banks Absa, Eco Bank, Stand Chart, banks in how the Oko now catch them one. Or Menobi. Why? Okay. Binti Yambra Sakwa Coast Namekan. Then I say, ya dear, am I a mano or Muda Homa or Mutumi in your side drilling the say a feeding in your meal.
Prof say share our school system no man out of the school.
Nina and TPS better also on Friday.
Yes. But I think say no man nya ye hu ye across all the domains no. Ahreho. I need ya any kolana brabum.
Na only free fa.
A very interesting question.
Right.
Like all the other questions say maybe you compare with other things.
Okay.
Because abrabono a system of structured comparisons.
Right. Obedience in me.
Yes. Sometimes even with your relations, no.
Okay.
And minya we na see a penasem same.
That's a miss my bones.
Sometimes you follow
okay.
Parents nippy money says if you compare with cousins. You compare with school. Neighborhood. Ain't like I know about you be a meneneka side or I'm just not happy.
Oh.
I can't seem to find anything that ever because many way are down for and check
Nase.
Mean to me maintaining relationships and make a sense of amount for intimacy. Obi am pemasem. And as a meaning so as a person, no, me so me pay me am hwasem.
One wasn't penny wasn't.
Psychologist Vicks Dokar say humans are the only species capable of relationships with themselves, but they don't engage in that relationship.
Be some Ubiaba. Hello. Good morning. Let's say. Yankasa. Okay. Okay.
And I'm in a papa car say, yes, I say, yes, it's home school.
Okay.
Yes, it's not school no more. First term, one class, no more, 120.
Okay.
But I'm over treasure to be a papa need to show me things. And why when you're 90 class and over of a show. In a bus, I'm not paying. As I'm to know, 120 not also and 22.
Okay.
The bus are not in 2 here. No, but catch you say, what your funny result are, man. If you get one, I can't say, Mama, when you're on the result to buy, say no, you're into strong to the good.
Never say, what for okay.
But so, where they're near most kind of the person car, all the investors in now, rep. I was school, secondary school, and third year for no move now commonly on my fine in terms of selecting the schools university.
Okay.
Now come against parents and so until Obama and Forson is on quiet program with
right.
One can find the payroll and fan conquer programmer on one can
right.
In case that I a demand suicide in the switcher because then the Moody Kaka say, will be say, I have finished the course that my parents wanted me to do.
I'm a medical mom.
Until I say, I will find a man called I look at no more to see your move.
Okay.
And think I invest is no more rep or secondary school in the now, almost I engage parents in the school. Yeah, by a church, I'm sending a mother, select to me. Send a lady, they can say, will be a hopper or bar. Program of person, you know, who said, yeah, the particular near which any more that person is that program.
Yati, your point is made. Yamisha, hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Bajo, when you?
Good morning. Your friend is Mariam.
Mariam.
Medical doctor at Orange Hospital. Now, come on now, mobile name with the palm.
Mariam, kasa.
They say, you know, in October, consulting with me to make sure Sompa Rhapsody,
hey, Mariam. Maybe Tiaka.
Especially Mebuno.
Why are they?
And the man so saying, the potential with cheese, and they are only to me 8 in some amount because I want to cheese, but I give a person make an say, young soul and poor.
Okay. Okay.
So, sir, almost young people serious, sir. What is that? I dear no more than Fato.
Okay.
Then they are almost and and I don't know how to say, but the seriousness with serving God, no. They relate it to other things. And see, I and it is a joint work that everybody has to do.
Wow.
If the home fails, it's a big problem. If church fails, it's a big problem. If there's no be in your name, and to come on board so that we can have a good job done to help the younger ones, because it's a terrible situation we are finding ourselves in now.
Very much.
Thank you very much.
Marian Yamisha, Papa, that's a medical doctor. Or say, oh, dear Papa, hello. Hello, Mama.
Yeah, Pastor, good morning.
Good morning. Now I'm free.
Pastor, I'm free. Because the Uba and I want to talk. Now, said you, what you can't father in some action. It takes a lot. And measure, oh, never. I'm a question securing the future of your kids.
Right.
And if I see a question, because the Ubano, for
a government worker.
Right.
Not one the salary, any pension, anyway. I want to send him in a year. It's never also.
Okay.
So, yeah, doctor. There was also somebody that over in the future. But the passion of being a doctor, no, it takes a lot.
Wow.
Sir, over to know a doctor. Even for any doctor, so far, so we have been doing that. And I'm mostly looking for some company.
Right.
Secondly, as you can say, inquiring the brain.
Right.
That is a question. When you hear, need to make any decision. A man wants to have a problem. What would say when I'm a very assistant that day?
Right.
And see, I will follow sometimes we have to say, manage it and instrument. For your doctor, for your lawyer, for your state. In some and no corruption, you be now, for nothing, I will follow.
Yeah, that's Papa Majo. That's Papa. B. Oh, here, dear, Majo can hear. Now, crack, yeah, I can say, across the ninja. Now, when you say, men, I met my dear. Abi, oh, when you say, be church, I want to say, a young and Tiasia say, when you say, what they be free, me to enter the amount with your school fees. Also, the way did 3-4 times in a day, where did you was saying, won't ya, fairness, maybe I will call, I just said, oh, Jerry. And when anyone adding, Mentiasia.
Prof, and your best friend is so on. I call any be what na. Make us a train, no.
All right.
None need you okay.
All right.
Not sadly when we say Bofran in an
right.
BB ya Bofrano.
Right.
Sometimes sexual violence victimization. Penny be a colane trusting. Eden and Sakan Bofrano in a way that shouldn't have happened.
Wow.
And this is happening within the home.
Open you be able to be a yet on or far crown.
Because I call on a na no for you or finance and no could react and now so this is my uncle. And sometimes even our young boys, some of the women we trust. Touch the kids.
A man paying for me, a man.
Some of our people we work have shared with us. There was mommy's friend who did this to me.
What?
I went to Prof. About friend the cousin in India. Young go beyond the material provisions.
Material.
Yeah, na obi ya bofrani bibi.
Okay.
Obi ebia unknown to you. Only like me crying because me so to me na. Just obeda I just say is after 2. Because oya bofrani it is any parents argue. And not say ma me ka say obekum yakume. Enti niyam hye no. Otina ho sa after 2 notice said there was no noise coming from the bedroom.
Hey!
That was when, and from that day, every time from 12 a.m. to 2, and she's an accomplished professional.
Oh.
But it doesn't matter where in the world she is. 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. Neni Betty. And to say about friend the cousin and ninja, man cousin me ma we duane. Ask what is happening.
Baby, I'm picking last caller.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. Let us show me bomi dio.
What do you say? Okay, say.
Ah, Sonia, Auntie, let us see Anna. Maybe I see.
Maybe yes, we are about to own. Maybe yes, we are about to own.
Yes.
Okay.
I thought that you are in the school now, or moon in Israel, they will be a young one and in the seminal.
Okay.
I will fall into your folk for me, your Muslim, which are not so important.
Ah.
That is. So we are Palabawa, not a penny total mistake. Every no in for faith. And I said, or no, we would be in someone grow. I tell you, before we see what that them say, and I thought when no vision says, this is what I want to be in future, this is what to be in future, no?
No, I say,
anytime it's not in chain, it's in a bonnet, and to meet you so. They are not a woman, this one can make you know.
Wow.
How do I say this? In that case, like, you lose focus.
Wow.
Because can you, anyway, you can you grow? How do you say?
Yeah.
It's a worship some of not actually, I know, not to focus.
Oh.
And so, by you know, now, what you did, much. But what to do, meaning that, like me, they are making you on the piano, and they can't have me fresh. And so you go one in a one person, or one thing for to one, or people that now change. Shana Kuranu, you know, nothing, you cannot to that you can't show no one. Now, so what do you want to say? Cannot move that out.
It's okay. Oh.
Number just out of when you not.
Oh, sorry. Now, when it counts the Biakasa. When it counts the Biakasa, when you be out.
Daddy, area.
And to me,
who drinks no vision in Nano. My
friend number you won't. Friend number in a young link to psychological and counseling services. But when you make a home, who make me a yamboa? Why, my member number in a Nafa number no? Why? Number here 0531. True.
You need to be so premature.
Oh. Baby. Baby, na patrol. 0531.
0531.
886.
86.
Maybe 886.
886.
216.
216.
0531.
886.
Yes, 886.
216.
Wonderful. And Frena, why? Oh, kose. Oh, beyond sa case ya okay. And the ose, Aquatino being chain. Lipano assay no. Who said, we yam will be over the period. Affecting a piano. A mepesa bohakakra. And then, okay, me have a last corner. We are not a Vienna. I went to ask for Friday. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Neja.
That was some funny.
Some papa, a market to your pa.
Hello.
It's your pa. Ajakasa, it's you.
Hello.
Aja, it's your wa, Kasa. Some person.
What you not in back, but your friend Daniel.
Okay. Okay.
And I'm about so you use no person you make. Shall we calculate
okay.
Now, yes, you know quite a crime. More different than and more cancer as will be the soil be not say. Continue having.
Okay.
The customer be faster and they are. The idea would do this here to us, but a man of criminal.
Oh, yeah, Cosben also. Also, your Cosben. Oh, your Cosben. Oh, one to make a say. What's all Banny year course of Bang?
Of the fair goes here, who is who not go to social makeup yet. And allow me to say, when I'm nearly to we Christian and ourselves
okay.
Well,
I'm an uncle, make up on okay.
And I'm on this moon. The moon says, if you are trapped, now, all the years and go over the now, it may be suffering the
over to me, your cry, over to me, Obet me I enter with you and say, cry. Mamodia na co register no. Why? Na a crano on ye dear Nakuma. Epe, why? Namisha pa. And if you an example like this, Mabana, yes, I or send a bano, or Manaya, Bambesa, bo. Sam of Friday, Sissy, Mona, a day, and then the Sina Friday, a toss.
Yes, Prof. Ain't Emi se mefa akonya akwa say sabofra ne ba na okase ne nya my enlist the material provisions
yes the amount to mama we oda udidi yenhwe na tenkemu
yes and that could be the door to the room anyoma bebre ekoso na brabo mu and say akola ni mpo simu akase meni nye no o mawo a space
right
into the challenges or more feeling
right
one so that make bia wonu kunu bonko be wati bibi eno na wadwen ho saa ba obi a wonnim sa bofra ne poate enti se obi kase na ni a let's not discard it or think say we are providing this. It could be say ebia somebody has touched the child in a way they don't like, and our prof say obi evaluate it affect your meaning, your sense of meaning in life.
Me can treat more than person community.
It's the prof said
obi say what?
Yes, I dare somobo because sabi e wawo bank obeye sa and anya ya nimpo say wawo ba. Now what they want sakano in a way. And you know the child will feel say maybe there's no help. Because sabi obi na ye mi say wa bonti na mbeka ofia. Senka wona obeboa me. Na say one po na wo ye mi say ya.
Where find the moral injury no?
Prof no. Prof na bi. And you know what defining well based on how you were treated. And I'm saying, no one say the world is not a safe place.
Okay.
Obe hyper vigilant. Obi no srekra na Syrian wo dwen ho double. Obi po show will love and kasa.
Umpe
and
no fair. Oh yeah. Hey, men kasa.
And I want you careful so I said be worry ni papa. One shall we need you worry no. Because you will feel say open me then violate me. Because whoever touched me, you know, the schema is that me pawase maintain am no yes say.
No yes no.
And to say oh treating the panipo with lava and then I won't bomb me. And then I won't rape him into the sabe. Oh I recrap a city bia mpem agro ne gidi. Ne ato ne ya raise you.
Ne atete wata de krr. Now buttons you know atete. Say huni.
Because now or introduce you first, you know, was aggressive and violent with you. And to know exercise the way you see life. But your brain image and cry and who say brain no. Because of the violence. And to know Bible culture is a violence begets violence.
Right.
If you have been touched in a way, I get help. Get help to reprocess near a sin.
There be can say so be as say wa. Beba macho. Mon frère Belama na tuja psychologist na yemboamo. Mama untina swasa.
Nya ya yawe e mema no. There may be a bema be a fan.
Ish and the neck idea.
And I oba bema ba no ka se da me ni nya. Sit down. Let's get into it because ebia who intervene in tema ebe to me a stop it. But obeka ye no dismiss na all meka bibia ankyere wo biem.
Right.
Enti obi de nsa kan wo boni bi so a enya wo fault.
Right.
Because sometimes to make us say now say what atade a wo share you offer what atade a wa share. Obi wo ho wo fi abeso feel free.
Right.
Oh nye de bia na say bi oba wo be boboni o ma na ese fantidok na bia ho nema bebrebe. You know, sometimes Akwani just wants to feel free. And Akwani just wants to hug you and kiss you. Akwani doesn't have any sexual interest in you. But I feel so, the child was rather grooming me, the adult. The child is too young to understand these things. And I probably maybe later on we can get into some of these sexual things that we take for granted.
Very
or
much.
Some of the things the men will say, the child came on to me. The child doesn't know these things. Or Proventino say obi ka se ne nyi a na abofra bi ka se ne nyi a ebia sa word no ejina homa nioma bebre
akwa se se ye tugu sa be ka last one yen sorry so
Proventi nia meka especially to the young people listening to us.
Okay.
say disappointment sometimes are overrated.
Okay.
Or failure so be a disappointed one, and that's the end of it. But say bra boy muno baby and cosenia wopa.
Okay.
Nyantia say sometimes disappointment no is the ancestor for success.
That's a deep one. Say ya buma be muno.
Yes.
Eye nyina soa ema okoanim.
Yes.
Ebe ya ben. Well, you have studied under Gamaliel. What ben?
Yes. I have studied under the venerable
Professor.
professor.
My God. Why are they?
But the adults will disappoint them.
Right.
A pastor will disappoint you.
Right.
Your own sister will disappoint you.
Right.
But don't look at it as say we are sinner a baby, because he in himself sometimes disappointment, you know, who we are see and as a child coming up, no, you will have people you will look up to. The people may not even know that you are looking up to them. People make mistakes.
Right.
And I say to my boys, when I make mistakes, I'm the first to admit it. I don't put it in my face. Mommy did this. That's how they collected brownie points. And he said, "Obi disappointed. Why? If you have the chance to talk to them about it, Prof, I love you very much, but this day maybe I not me. Let's teach them to communicate their feelings and understand that the people you trust, the people you hold dear, but it doesn't mean that you should end your life.
Amazing.
Understand that life is a series of transitions.
Wow. Me ba no one shit makacho. Hey. Say what it massa na ma ben sa o say what to kra no why proud. We Mrs. Beatrice Jumfo Williams, soon to become Dr. Jumfo. I can't wait. Hey. That day be glorious. Now, being coy, if I'm not be twice of Friday, sir, instead now I know. Me pese a pipe him. Oh, near mana adin bano. Say obi kura obi a ni pane basa. Na okotru binche na masisi we nyambo bia na hya ho na ewi oni prawo awofo oba pese bibia debi oba yene se oba na nkura na ye homadwene. Enti omodo university a no opese ogene nkwa ye pese isi anokwan na ene no ya tena nkura no ho na ye fie ho kakra Friday abeto aso we ofo a pese we team pa e wona mabe ba ko number 1 ne say oba no you are a steward obesom oba no yanka se oba ne eba wona abit na chen di bibia be so we da bi o den there is a guidance. You guide your child to become what the child wants to become. Odendano, ama wetunya beye di yopeso woye. Oba shebre enye wo shebre number 2. The destiny of your child is not like yours. Akure bia ndi nyampese wode ne beye. Enti sa opese oba no shebre se wode ye pa waye fumso. Number 3. Kai hu se obetunya se oba. Obetumi so ayini. Sompa Rhapsody, I deeply want to say, become a builder of your child, not a destroyer of great lives. And may ye a ja near now will say and corroborable. May ye journey na you look to the future. No one can say, I thank God. Say, we nyame family so. Na me dishira me ba. Ebusafo, ebere no aye be. Onyame eya adoma Friday. Mene Mrs. Beatrice Jumfo Williams, Tenasibio, Naya sign Atwaso, my person it is no, ye